Back at it here on John 56. Got our coil, which is the OG, out of the bracket. We are going to replace that with a new coil. And I also have our distributor cap off. And you can see in here, it has definitely seen better days. And has actually been hitting inside on the rotor, which is kind of alarming. Look at that, I haven't seen that in a while. So, you get our coil swapped out, and then we're gonna take a closer look at this. All right, so we got our nice new coil all mounted, ready to go, all wired up. And like I said, we saw our cap definitely had some interesting wear going on inside of it. Well, here's our rotor. Look at that burnt edge. I haven't seen that in quite a while either. So notice in our old cap where it's been dragging, and then here's our new cap that's machined nicely. Of course, brass terminals, because we only buy nice standard caps. We don't buy junk. So on the left is our new rotor. It's actually a hair smaller diameter wise across, which paired with the new cap will definitely stop our issue. Do have our brand new points all in and adjusted. New points, new condenser, ready to roll. So we're gonna put, that was the old one falling on the floor. Come on, baby. We'll put our new rotor. Get on there, baby. On. Nice tight fit for a change. Usually this stuff's always sloppy and junky and cheap. But that one's nice. Good to go now. And we'll put our new cap on. And then we will get started next on our wire set. Get in there. What a pain. There we go. It's all lined up now. We get our clips in. Get the clips on there in a minute. Kind of a bitch. I'm doing one-handed. Especially this one. So I'll get back there with where's my screwdriver? Alright. Aw, yep, I gotta clip that on by hand. All right. Cap, rotor points, all that jazz in. Everything internal to the distributor, done. Coil, done. We have our old cap still sitting here because we're gonna do our wires one by one. Make sure they go on right. But we can't get rid of the coil wire because that's obvious. And it's in the way. All right. So now we're going to start on our spark plugs. We'll do one wire at a time. I'm starting on the driver's side. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. And putting Motorcraft plugs in. Copper core plugs. Because it originally came with copper, for one. And two, they don't get a million miles per hour like a daily driver. So you really don't need to waste the money on platinum and iridium and all the other fancy pants stuff. But there they are. Factory style Motorcraft plug. Alright, pulling out the first plug. That baby's in there. Kind of chunky. Ooh, those have seen better days. Those are auto lights. They have 46s. They are pretty much the same plug. Alright. You can see the wear on the electrode in there compared to this one. Alright, I'm going to put in our number 5 spark plug right now. Get her started. Easier said than done, I guess. Baby. Start for Papa. Be good, baby. There we go. Come on. There it goes. Alright, it started. So we're gonna go and snug her down. Nice and snug. Snug. All right. So we're number 5 spark plug in.